Hello students, in this video we will see the solution of question number 63. So in which the partners cloud, storm and rain, they are partners here, okay, in the ratio of 5:3:2, okay. So you can see from the asset column, okay, all these items should be transferred here, okay, which are your machinery, okay. After that we have furniture, motor car, stock in trade, okay. After that we have sundry debtors, okay. So these items will be transferred here, okay, from balance sheet to your realization account. Now let us move on to liabilities section. So from liabilities section, only one item will be transferred here, which is your sundry creditors, okay, which is your 1,20,000. Okay, now let us move on to the adjustments. So some machinery costing rupees 40,000 was taken over by by Cloud at an agreed valuation of rupees 45,000, and the remaining machinery realized rupees 50,000. So this machinery, okay, so some machinery costing rupees 40,000. Now this 50%, okay, or half of this machinery was taken over by Cloud, okay, for rupees 45,000, okay, and the remaining machinery, which was 40,000, was realized for 50,000. Okay, so that is your case here. Okay, so 40,000 is taken over by Cloud for rupees 45,000, and remaining 40,000 was realized for rupees 50,000. That is your first adjustment. Now second adjustment is furniture realized rupees 40,000. Okay, after that we have sundry debtors included a bad debt of rupees 1200, okay, and the rest was realized subject to a cash discount of 10%. So now from sundry debtors here, okay, 71,000, okay, what we have to do is that we need to, again I have to go to calculator. From this, how much is the debtors? Okay, 71,000. So now from 71,000 you subtract 1200. How much it will be? It will be 69,800. Okay, so from 69,800, this 10% discount will be provided, that is your 6980. Okay, so first of all your debtors was how much? 71,000. Okay, out of which 1200 was your bad dates. Okay, now just now we calculated this 6980 is the uh, cash discount. So what is the remaining amount? 62820. So this is how the debtors are realized for the amount 62820. Okay, this is the amount of realization of debtors, 62820. Okay, so now after that we have a motor car which was taken over by Storm, okay, for rupees 30,000 here, okay. And we also have this stock worth rupees 5,000 was taken over by Rain for rupees 5,200, okay. And this and the rest realized 20% above their book value. So now this stock, okay, if you just have a look at this stock here, so from this stock of rupees 30,000, 5,000 was taken over by Rain for rupees 5,200. Okay, now the remaining stock, that is 25,000, was realized at 20% above their book value. So 25,000 into 20% will be how much? It will be 5,000. So 25,000 plus 5,000 is going to be your 30,000. So this is how the stock is realized. Okay, now the total amount of the assets realized will be 1,82,820 rupees. Okay, so our credit side is okay, 1,20,000, 45,000, 182,820, and this 5,200 and rupees 300,000. Okay, now let us start our calculation from here. Okay, so it is mentioned that a creditor of rupees 2,000 was untraceable and other creditors were accepted. And other creditors, they accepted payment allowing 15% of discount. So 1 lakh 80, sorry, 1 lakh 20,000 minus 2,000 will be how much? It will be 1 lakh 18,000. Okay, so 1 lakh 18,000. Let me just show you one more time through calculator. Okay, so okay, let me show you here. Okay, so 1 lakh 18, sorry, 1 lakh, oh, 1 lakh 20,000. So 1 lakh 20,000 minus 2,000 will be how much? 1 lakh 18,000. Okay, so it's 15%. It's going to be 17,700. Okay, so from 1 lakh 18,800, if we subtract, how much is the amount? 1 lakh 300. So 1 lakh 300 is actually paid to your creditors. Okay, so there is a realization expense of rupees 5,000. Okay, so after that we find the profit on realization. Okay, so this profit on realization will be shared between partners as per the profit sharing ratio of 5 is to 3 is to 2. Okay, so after that we prepare partners capital account, which is your you can see the balances which have been extracted from the balance sheet: 60,000, 40,000, and 30,000. Okay, again we have current accounts also of cloud and storm. Okay, 8,000 and 10,000, but we have a debit balance of rain which is 3,000 rupees, so that has been extracted here. Okay, now we have uh, profit on realization. Okay, so put the amount of profit on realization here. Okay, so after that all the assets that have been taken over by the partners, okay, these three items, okay, that have been extracted here. Okay, you can refer to the realization account here, this 45,000, 5,200, and 30,000. Okay, so you can see the amounts here. So simply what you could do is that you can just write to realization account bracket assets taken over and write the amounts directly here. You can do that way also, or you can show each transaction separately. Okay, and finally we find the final payment of our partners. Okay, and we prepare bank account. Okay, so this is your assets realized amount, okay, which we have taken from the realization account. After that, this is your payment to this creditors, and this is the realization expenses. Okay, and these are your final payment to your partners. Okay, so this completes your question number 63.